In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok AI history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal of your past conversations, all in a few straightforward steps. Before we begin, a quick note on what this action does. Deleting your Grok AI history permanently removes your past chats from your account. That means prompts, replies, and entire conversation threads will be cleared and can't be recovered. If you think you might need something later, take a moment to review your chats first so you're confident about wiping them. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Grok website. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is stable so nothing interrupts the process midway. Next, log in on your account. Enter your credentials as you normally do. If your account has additional verification, complete that as well. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard or chat area. Now, click Profile. You'll typically find your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking it should open a small menu or take you to your account overview, depending on the layout you see. From there, click Settings. This is where Grok collects all the account-related controls. Settings is the right place to manage preferences, security, and, importantly for today, your data tools. Inside Settings, click Data Control. This section is dedicated to how your information and history are handled. If you don't see it immediately, look for tabs or a sidebar that includes terms like privacy, security, or data, then select Data Control. Within Data Control, click Delete All Conversation. The option may appear as a button or link labeled Delete All Conversations or Clear Chat History. This command targets the full set of your past chats, not just a single thread, so take a moment to be sure you want to proceed. Finally, confirm the deletion. A confirmation window will appear asking you to verify that you understand this action is permanent. Follow the prompt, whether it's clicking confirm or typing a short confirmation,